Today's topic is about keto diet for obesity, but before that we will brief summary of the obesity. In the world, obesity have affected 1.9 billion adults and so many children. In India also 20.4% people are overweight. Further, how this obesity is calculated, that is based on the BMI, body mass index, which is calculated with the help of weight in kilogram by height square. So if your BMI is in between 18.5 to 25, that is considered normal, but more than 25 and between 30, then it is considered overweight. But obesity grade 2, that is in between 30 to 40 BMI, and more than 40 BMI, that is considered grade 3 type of obesity. Now in relation to this obesity, that keto diet is widely accepted, but before that different types of diets are prescribed during dieting, all of which aim at a negative calorie balance. Simple, as per the energy need, if you are taking less number of calorie, body will utilize whatever the stored amount of fat and obesity will reduce. So consuming less food or consuming a low fat diet will not have the desired effect. So till today so many trial over the obesity, so that all are targeted to reduce calorie intake, but it has not given desirable result. So because the body will have a tendency to switch to the fasting metabolic profile soon after meals, body is always try to get food whenever there is a hypoglycemic or fasting condition is developed. So in detail of this ketogenic diet, but what is proposed in this keto diet. So in this keto diet, it is targeted to reduce overall or to neglect the carbohydrate in the diet. So overall target to reduce intake of bread, sugar, milk, rice, corn, beans and potatoes. Simply all the cereals or products of the cereals as well as some carbohydrate rich product is avoided or neglected. But oppositely, increase amount of nuts, seeds, meats, eggs, dairy product, oils, vegetable as well as berries to provide micronutrients. So that is main purpose or main goal of the keto diet, to reduce overall carbohydrate in the diet. Further, in detail of this keto diet we will look, particularly Robert Atkins proposed a low carbohydrate ketogenic high protein diet for losing the weight. So according to Atkins, only 20 gram of carbohydrate per day is given. So normal balanced diet includes 60% weightage of carbohydrate in routine diet. So normal desirable intake is about 100 to 120 gram per day, but oppositely Atkins have proposed only 20 gram of carbohydrate. So but unlimited consumption of fat and protein are permitted in this keto diet as per that Atkins. So in detail, when such a diet is consumed, the liver will be predominantly glucogenic. Now it is shifted to the ketogenic. So peripheral utilization, tissue utilization, the excess ketone body for the energy need. One more thing will happen, the substrate for gluconeogenesis is mainly glucogenic amino acid. So whatever the protein is taken will provide amino acid, and this amino acid will convert into the new glucose molecule formation, and for that new glucose molecule formation ATP is utilized, and for that ATP utilization mostly fatty acid will provide the energy. So fatty acid which is stored in our adipose tissue, which is creating obesity, will be utilized for the new glucose molecule formation from the amino acid for the glucose need of the body. So insulin secretion as well as the increment in glucose in the postprandial state is low, but oppositely when keto diet is taken, body will try to develop gluconeogenesis, that is under the influence of the glucagon. So overall insulin secretion will decrease and glucose formation will increase in a postprandial state. This low carbohydrate diet was found to give promising result in 6 to 12 weeks trial compared to the low calorie and low fat diet. So as initial phase it is giving so promising result or effect. So it is nowadays more adapted for as a treatment of obesity or dieting plan as a keto diet for the obesity. More long-term trials are necessary to prove the efficacy of the low carbohydrate ketogenic diet. Some long-term effect is still in query, but it is widely adapted to immediate treatment of obesity or immediate dieting plan as a keto diet for the obesity. Simply, you are the creator of yourself, so as per your body need and requirement you have to take care about your diet.